Hello, today we're gonna use the Unicaru pizza oven for the first time to bake a pizza. Okay, I have here the Unicaru 12 and we're gonna open it up right now. So we have in here the Unicaru 12, which is a pizza oven, and I'm so excited to show you guys the first cook of our sourdough pizza in it. And I'm gonna open it for you so that you can see what's all inside. So right out of the box we have here the pizza stone. Let's take it out. Here's the pizza stone. There's a manual here, I guess. For your warranty and the essential guide, which we're gonna put here, the pizza stone. And then we have in here, this is the little, there's a little door for the back of the oven. And we have the oven in itself, which is not heavy at all. And guys, if you see me sweating today, it's because I live in Texas and it's hot in Texas. Right now it's 6 p.m. already and we are at 104 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 40 degrees Celsius, and it's very hot. Okay, so here's the, wow, this is heavy. This is the door for the oven. It goes in here. Okay, so in here we have the charcoal basket. Have the charcoal basket and this, which is stuck. Okay, now setup is very easy, so you just have to unfold the legs like that, then place the pizza stone in there, the fuel tray, and finally just place the chimney and you will be ready to go. Okay, for our first cook we're gonna use charcoal and wood, and I always like to use more long charcoal because it lasts longer and it's gonna help us to get a good flame in there going on. It's gonna keep the heat easier. I'm gonna place it in there. Here I am at the back of the oven, and here's all the charcoal already. I'm gonna place a couple of tumbleweeds to fire it up. It's just gonna help my charcoal to go to light faster. And as soon as you have your fire going, we're gonna close here. As soon as the fire is going, what you're gonna wanna do is close the front door, and you have to make sure that your chimney is all the way open. And then we're gonna wait for another 15 minutes. Okay, after 15 minutes, I wanna check the temperature. It's 400, so yeah, I need to wait a little bit more. Okay, after 15 minutes, more charcoal to the basket. Increase the temperature of the oven. Okay, now if we check the temperature of our stone, it's already at almost 580 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're getting ready to bake the pizza. So we're gonna add wood, hardwood in there. And this is gonna create a flame for the pizza. So you can tell the oven is ready. That flame is gonna cook the pizza perfectly. To make this dough, the night before, place 300 grams or 2.5 cups of water in the bowl of a stand mixer. Add 30 grams or 2.25 teaspoons of olive oil, 120 grams or half a cup of dry sourdough starter. Mix well with a silicone spatula to dilute the sourdough starter with the water. Add 600 grams or 4.75 cups of double zero flour. Use the hook attachment to knead all the ingredients and then add 12 grams or 2 teaspoons of salt. Knead for about 20 minutes or until your dough is soft and elastic like this one. Then place the dough in a grease-proofing container and place it in the fridge overnight for at least 12 hours. The next day, take the dough out of the fridge 4 hours before you plan on baking the pizzas. Divide the dough in 4 equal pieces. Make 4 balls with the dough and place them on a flour tray. Add more flour on top and cover the dough with a lid or a plastic wrap and let it proof in a warm place for about 4 hours. Press all the dough in the middle and then you can start shaping it. If you pull it to the sides too. Now you want to shape it. This is a 12-inch oven, so I want to shape it to almost 10 to 11 inches max. And then add your sauce. Which for this sauce I use salt and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil because it's more a Neapolitan style pizza, and then fresh mozzarella. Just gonna make our margarita pizza so delicious. And now you are supposed to put it in a pizza peel, but my pizza peel is bigger than the oven, which I didn't realize until today. So I'm gonna place this pizza in this silicone chopping board, which is gonna help me just to transfer it to the oven like that. Moves well, so that's gonna help. Sometimes you have to get creative, so this is one of those times I realized too late that my pizza peel was too big, so it doesn't fit in the oven. And now we're ready to take it into the oven. You gotta check the temperature. Right now it says, yeah, more than 600 degrees. I'm gonna place my pizza. Hope you guys can see well. There, and close it. And really, I'm just gonna leave it there for 1 minute or so. Okay, after 1 minute, it's just cooking well, so we're gonna rotate it. You can already tell it's gonna come out really well. For another 15 seconds. Yep. There it is. Coming out very nicely. Okay, and since I don't have a proper peel, this is almost ready. Just wanna rotate it a last time. And it should be ready. Oh yeah. What do you think? cutting off, and it is well cooked. I'm gonna cut a piece so that I can try it out. Here's the taste test. Yeah, that's delicious. Okay, after my first bake in this Unicaru 12, I can really tell you that it was very easy to use, and I think it's a really great option if you are looking for an oven, pizza oven for your house, that it's not gonna break the bank. Really, you can buy nowadays pizza ovens that are super expensive, and I wanna tell you, Uni didn't send this to me. I had to buy it myself. This was actually a birthday present. I put together all my money for my birthday, and I bought it, and it has been a great oven for today. The pizzas are great, and it was so easy to use. I kind of stress that more because it was so easy to use. If you are familiar and grilling outside, and you can be careful by not touching this because it gets really hot, I know it's gonna be a great addition for your baking and for your sourdough baking, and I can't wait to keep cooking and keep baking in this oven. Another reason why I bought this oven, it is also because it is very easy to transport. So if you want to go to one of your friend's house and start making pizzas for a party, so they also have this attachment that you can buy. So you can also hook up this oven to a gas tank, and you can start making pizzas all the time because you're going to have a good flame the whole time. And that's why I also bought it, because anytime I want to go to a friend's house or we have a party somewhere else, I can just bring my oven and we can have a party with a lot of great pizzas. So I really recommend you to buy it if you want, or if you're looking for a good pizza oven that it's affordable. I'm gonna leave it in the description of this video all the links to the Uni page and where you can get this oven. And I hope you can get it and try it out for yourself. And if you have any questions or comments about the Uni or the pizza or the recipes, you can just write your comments below and I get back to you. And thank you for watching this video. I have a new video every week, so if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.